I offer you an opportunity to break the pattern. Remember, we're all stuck in patterns. I say up, you say...
Up, sideways.
Oh. Wait a minute. Wait, I say left, you say...
Down.
Oh, interesting. I say stop, you say...
Go faster.
We're not talking about your Saturday night life. So what happened is, I make you aware of a pattern that's been running you your whole life. You become aware of this pattern, and now you broke your effing pattern.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.